Rolling. Action.
We met a few men and women from different walks of life. We asked them,
No, actually, never thought so.
No, I think so. I've never felt that.
No.
I haven't thought like that actually.
No.
No, I never wish to be a woman.
I'm happy I'm a boy, but again, I don't mind being a girl.
Yes.
Yeah, many times.
Yes, in certain situations, yes.
Not an easy job to be a woman. Doing everything, taking care of everything.
Multitasking and stuff.
Oh, they're really good at multitasking too.
I do wish I was a man every month when I get my periods. Like, why do women have to go through everything? Like, सारे पेन हमको ही दे दिए. ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಆಗದ ಬೈಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಗಂಡಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬೈಕ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಆಗೋದು.
Definitely. Whenever my husband goes for partying, I always feel that, wish I was a man. I could go party late, get back home late, nobody to ask me what time I come back.
When I first got my offer letter, when I showed that to my parents were like,
Get married. That was a just straight line. It's always the family. Mostly it's about the family.
so once I stepped in the college days, I felt like I need to be a boy because my parents are very strict in basis of time.
And they are men, they can do, the boys can do, but you girls have restricted time and all that. So that one thought in me made me feel, why I wish I was a man.
Questions have been raised at my mom asking why I was led to come to Bangalore, which is a big town, all by myself. I know it's all for my safety.
It's only for the safety because as of now, when you see the world and the society, like women are more targeted.
Because world is unsafe outside, so they just feel protected and they care about what society thinks.
We do realize that there's a lot of patriarchy in terms of like every move there's patriarchy. I like everything that I'm enjoying right now, so I haven't had that oh shit I wish I was a man type feeling.
Okay, do you think we should celebrate Women's Day?
Definitely we should celebrate women.
So every day has to be celebrated as Women's Day.
ದಿನವೂ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಖುಷಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So if they're given the special importance every day, then nothing like it. Every day you need to respect them, take care of them.
Now it is like a celebration, and every day is a women day for us. If you have days for rose and a chocolate, then we should definitely have a day for ourselves.
Because going through motherhood is a very good phase of life, which only a mother knows what it feels like, whereas fathers don't go through that.
But for a woman, she has to balance her life, professional life, and so many things, and has to multitask. They know all walks of life in terms of handling the house, handling outside, handling kids, handling politics,
The way they take care of people around them and the way they go through their everyday.
and we play so many roles every day.
Physically also, while pregnancy or during periods, they go through a lot of pain.
In terms of physical strength,
I don't think we're any less. In terms of mental strength, I don't think we're any less either.
yes, when you talk about being compassionate, it's always women. When you talk about being caring, it's always women.
I think nowadays women have opened up more compared to before.
Women are coming up, standing on their own feet. Now I am working as a graphic designer, and also I am the first in my family as a girl who is working.
I never wish to be a man. I'm happy to be a woman.
Once I wished I was a man, but I'm proud being a woman.
Happy and grateful that I'm a woman too. Once I did wish to be a man, but I feel so special being a woman.
No, I wish to be a woman. So I feel like a superwoman every day.
And how I always want to be a woman.
But I am very, very proud and happy that I am a woman.
Obviously I'm happy with God's decision.
ಮೊದಲು ನನಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಗಂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Beautiful being a woman.